Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's start and make a letterhead. Firstly, go to margins and go to narrow. Now go to insert and insert this rectangle and cover up the entire page like this. Change its color to red. Right click on it and go to gradients. Choose this one, go to shape format and give it a gradient as I have done. Adjust the gradient stops. Give it a bright orange color as well. Now go to shapes again and choose this rectangle. Yeah, this one. And insert it into the entire page. Now adjust it, increase its size, that it covers the entire page. Now change its color to white. So I have added the text, logos, and other information. Now I'm gonna add this shape, which is a border shape. I'm gonna decrease its radius like this. And I'm gonna go to shape fill. First adjust it. Now, yeah, adjust it like this. Adjust the text as well. Go to shape fill. Copy it and paste it. Now rotate the second one. Increase its size. And increase its radius a little bit. Select the text and increase its size a little bit. Select it again and decrease its size. Now move the signature downwards. Go to insert and shapes and insert a line, and uh, you have to change this color to blue. Now adjust this line below the signature. Change its color. Now go to shapes again and choose a rectangle and decrease its size like this. Adjust it. Change its color to bright red. No, change its color to white and make it transparent. And increase its size. Give it an outline of red color. Change it to red. Increase its density. That's it. You can download this from my description below. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video as well.